Now, pumunta na tayo sa purchase of supplies. Okay, Mr. Ortonio, kasama sa sinasabi niyong pinaglaanan ninyo ng confidential funds ay ang purchase of or payment of purchase supplies, payments of tables and chairs, payment of desktop computers and printers. Tama ba?
Correct.
Okay. Ang mga desktop computer, printer, mesa at upuan ay mga bagay na hindi nauubos or tinatawag na non-consumable. Tama ba?
Yes.
Again, more than or almost 2 decades na kayo naglilingkod sa gobyerno. In fact, naglingkod din kayo bilang pinuno ng Human Resource Management Office nito. Alam niyo, Mr. Ortonio, ng ari-ariang binili ng pondo ng bayan or pera ng bayan ay pag-aari ng gobyerno. Tama ba?
Yes, I would
Yes.
say so.
At alam nyo rin na nakatala ang ari-arian ng gobyerno. Ibig sabihin, yung mga government properties, these are recorded. May karampatang property number, property acknowledgement receipt, accountable officer, at annual inventory. Tama ba?
Yes, if procurements through the regular
Yes.
funding.
At sinasubmit din ito, yung inventory na to, isinasubmit din ito sa opisina ng Commission on Audit. Tama ba?
Yes, for the inventory.
Okay. Pero, aaminin mo, you will confirm na para dito sa mga purchase ng supposed supplies, computers, tables and chairs, wala kayong sinubmit na inventory para dito sa COA. Tama ba?
Specifically for these items, they were not reflected because
I'm
of...
not asking. Yes, thank you very much, Mr. Ortonio. I'm not asking further reason.
Your Honor, please.
I'm just asking for whether or not you submitted an inventory to the COA. So,
Attorney Christine,
The witness is answering the question, Your Honor, if he can be allowed to answer.
again, let it be a subject matter of cross. I think the answer given was sufficient already.
okay. And para din dito sa mga supplies na ito, wala ka rin nakitang, wala rin binigay sa iyo na invoice or official receipt. Wala ditong, tama ba?
None.
Okay. Wala ka rin nakitang records ng sales invoices na to at mga official receipts sa buong record ng OVP. Tama ba?
None, ma'am.
Wala ring dokumento na magpapakita na ang mga bagay na ito ay idinonate ng OVP sa kahit sino man. Tama ba?
No record in
Yes.
terms of the donation.
Hanggang ngayon, ikaw personally, Mr. Ortonio, hindi mo rin maituturo kung nasaan na itong mga mesa, upuan, supplies, computers na nagkakahalagang 3.5 million. Hindi mo naman ituro kung nasaan sila.
Considering that these are procurements for confidential activities, no, ma'am, I would have no personal knowledge on where these items are.
And I would suppose wala ring nakapagturo sa office ng OVP kung nasaan itong mga mesa, computer, supplies na ito. Tama ba?
Your Honor, please.
Attorney Christine,
Speculative, Your Honor.
How is that speculative, Your Honor?
Or asking for an opinion.
How is that asking for opinion, Your Honor? I am asking whether, to his knowledge, there was anyone in the OVP who could point to these non-consumable items.
Her wording was, I suppose. She did not say to your knowledge.
Okay, then I withdraw. I drop, Your Honor, the phrase, I suppose. Mr. Ortonio, tama
witness
ba?
may answer if he knows.
No, I would not have any knowledge also if there are other personnel in the office who would know in the OVP.
Conversely, hindi mo rin masasabi kung merong nakakaalam kung talagang nag-i-exist itong mga mesa, tables and chairs, computers at supplies.
Your Honor, please. Already asked and answered and repetitive.
Move on, counsel.
Okay. Earlier, Mr. Antonio, we just parked one item, yung certifications that were attached to the liquidation reports. You will confirm, Mr. Antonio, that the Vice President herself signed all those certifications.
Yes, ma'am. Based on the documents that were presented.
By the way, Mr. Antonio, earlier you mentioned that you submitted PIORs. Did you ask Ms. Acosta and the security officer kung meron man, ano-ano itong mga threats na na-identify in the course of the disbursement of the confidential funds? Naitanong nyo ba?
No, I did not ask anymore, ma'am.
Okay. So just to summarize, Mr. Antonio, doon sa August 22, 2022 letter, may I request the technical booth to please flash on the screen.
Kindly flash the August 22, 2022 letter signed by Mr. Ortonio.
Just to summarize, in that letter, ang pinigay niyong paliwanag para sa confidential funds ay para sa tatlong bagay. Good governance program, functional representation, para sa travel ng Pangulo. Tama ba?
Can I see the document first? Ma'am, I'll confirm on the good governance, but on what we indicated, ma'am, is on the conduct of official engagements
Official
and
engagement.
functional representation
So
in domestic and in international and domestic events.
three items, three projects, or three items. You have good governance program, you have official engagements, and functional representation. Tama ba?
That's basically two, ma'am. That's the implementation for good governance program and conduct of official engagements and functional representation.
Thank you, Mr. Antonio. I stand corrected on that. So those two items. Pagdating sa PFP, ang justification for the 2022 PFP and justification was good governance program. Tama ba?
Yes, based on the documents earlier, ma'am.
Okay. Sa 2023 naman, socio-economic delivery program.
Asked and answered, Your Honor, earlier.
I'm sorry, counsel. What was the question, Attorney May?
For this 2023 certification, Your Honor, the justification was socio-economic delivery program.
Asked and answered.
On the assumption that she's winding up, Attorney Christine, because she said
Yes, Your
she's
Honor.
summarizing the points that were the points that the witness had already answered to. I will allow it. Witness may answer. Yes, Mr. Antonio. Do you want the question repeated?
Yes, kindly repeat the question, ma'am.
for the 2023, ang paliwanag niyo para sa confidential funds ay dahil gagamitin ito sa socio-economic delivery program. Tama ba?
Yes, as indicated in the document earlier.
Okay. At sa mga certifications naman na isinumitin ninyo in response to the AOM, sinabi dito na ginamit ang confidential funds para sa surveillance to ensure that no untoward incident will happen. Tama ba?
Yes, based on the document
Based on
earlier,
the
ma'am.
document. At para naman sa sagot nyo sa AOM, pati sa NS, ang sinabi naman ninyo, gagamitin ang confidential funds para sa surveillance activity that would help you determine and identify areas kung saan i-roll out yung mga proyekto ninyo. Tama ba?
That's one of the
That's one of
justifications that we indicated.
yes, which never appeared in the prior documents. Tama ba?
Yes.
Yes. So in short, nagbigay kayo ng 4 na bersyon, 4 na rason para sa isang pondo. Tama ba?
Your Honor, please.
I was expecting something, Attorney Christine. Yes.
Yeah, it's misleading, Your Honor. 4 na version and conclusion of fact.
Your Honor, if I may, Your Honor.
I'll allow it, Attorney Christine.
Thank you.
The witness is intelligent enough to be able to identify that indeed some answers were different from the previous ones they gave.
And just to set the record
I'm just
straight,
not
Your
so
Honor.
sure if it's 4, but
Just to set the record straight, Your Honor, I did not say 4. I mentioned 5. So,
ang dinig ko nga 4 eh. Ang dinig ko
Sorry.
4 eh.
4. Yes,
So I
4.
don't know the number of versions you have, but you do admit that several versions or explanations were given, not
For the
the
same
same, for the
fund.
same expense.
There were different justifications.
Okay,
Yes.
different justifications for the same fund, for the same confidential fund. Tama ba?
Can
Yes.
I clarify?
Just say yes or no.
There were four explanations.
There were 4 explanations for the same fund. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So in short, paiba, you will also agree with me na kapag paiba-iba ang rason, maaring nagsisinungaling lang or talaga namang ito ay isa lamang scam.
Your Honor, please.
You and I both know, Attorney May, I have to sustain whatever basis for the objection Attorney Christine may
Yes, Your
give.
Honor. Move to strike the scam and nagsisinungaling.
So stricken off the record.
Last item, Your Honor.
Yes, proceed, Attorney May.
Kay Mr. Antonio, kanina sinabi mo na si Vice President mismo ang humingi ng confidential fund sa simula pa lang. Siya ang humingi ng 250 million mula sa DBM. Tama ba?
Yes.
Siya rin ang nag-decide kung magkano amount ang ire-request. Tama ba? Ultimately, sa kanyang nanggaling ang desisyon. Tama ba?
Yes.
At pinirmahan niya rin ang approval para sa pag-release ng pondo. Tama ba? Through the disbursement vouchers. Tama ba?
Yes.
Yes. Pinirmahan niya rin ang mga liquidation reports at certification supporting the liquidation reports. Tama ba?
Yes.
Okay. In short, you will agree with me. This whole confidential funds matter, ang arkitekto at mastermind nito ay si Vice President Sara.
Your Honor, please. Your Honor, please. Objection.
Sustained. Counsel,
Mastermind. Move to strike, Your Honor, the
Your Honor,
statement.
May we request, Your Honor, that it remain on record?
may I request you likewise
Move to strike, Your Honor.
I will have to strike it off, Counsel. Kindly replace it with words that are more acceptable, such as that everything was approved by and with the consent of or with the full knowledge of. It's up to you. I don't want to put words in your mouth.
Mr. Antonio, she was the architect. Yung confidential funds na to,
Objection, Your Honor.
kung paano ito i-disperse at gagamitin, i-utilize,
Objection.
Siya ang architect ng buong ito.
I will have to sustain the objection again, counsel. Allow me, Mr. Ortonio, lahat ng nangyayari at ginawa kaugnay ng confidential fund mula sa paghingi nito sa DBM, sa paggastos, kung paano ito ginastos, paano ito niliquidate, kasabay na yung mga sagot na binigay kaugnay sa OEM, Notice of Suspension at Notice of Disallowance. Lahat ito ay alam, nasa ilalim ng supervision, pinahintulutan at inotorisa ng ikalawang Pangulo.
Wait.
Gusto mo i-say ko?
Can you repeat, Your Honor?
Lahat ng bagay kaugnay sa confidential fund mula sa pag-request, sa pag-release, sa pag-encash, sa paggastos, sa pag-liquidate, sa pagsagot sa mga AUM, Notice of Suspension at Notice of Disallowance, ay una, nalalaman ng ikalawang Pangulo. Pangalawa, inotorisa niya base sa mga pirma niya sa iba't ibang dokumento. At pangatlo, ay nasa ilalim ng kanyang supervision bilang head of agency. Would that be an accurate statement, or tell me if it's not?
Based on my understanding, sir, and based on what I know, sir, yes, the vice president knows about the confidential activities and how it is being implemented.
I'll pursue it further. May ginawa ka ba na hindi alam o inauthorize ni Vice President Sara kaugnay sa confidential funds kasabay na yung pagsagot mo sa mga AUM, Notice of Suspension at Disallowance?
None, Your Honor.
Lahat alam niya at inauthorize niya.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sa pagkakaalam mo, may ginawa ba si Gina o si Colonel Lachica kaugnay ng confidential funds mula sa disbursement, mula sa withdrawal, disbursement at liquidation na hindi nalalaman o inotorisa ng ikalawang Pangulo, if you know?
As to Miss Gina and Colonel Lachica, Your Honor, I would have no personal knowledge on it.
Okay.
Your
Any
Honor,
final
just-
questions, Attorney May?